Hi friends, welcome to our channel Gunshot GK. What is the name of the Indian American who has been appointed to the United States National Science Board? He is Mr. Sudarshanam Babu. Next one, which state becomes the first zero COVID-19 state in the country? It is Goa. Next one, which state government partners with healthcare startup MedCodes for consultation and medicine delivery through Ayu and Sehat Saathi apps? It is Rajasthan. Next one, who is the current Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare of India? He is Mr. Narendra Singh Tomar. Next one, Civil Services Day is observed on which date in India? It is 21st April. Next one, Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare Dr. Harshvardhan launched which platform that aims to establish a direct channel of communication with millions of Indians to amid the pandemic? So it is COVID India Seva. Next one, who has been appointed as the Secretary to President Ramnath Kovind? He is Mr. Kapil Dev Tripathi. Next one, which solutions cuts India's economic growth forecast for 2020-21 to how much percent? It is 1.8%. Next one, World Creativity and Innovation Day is observed on which date? It is observed on 21st April. Next one, who is the Minister of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions? He is Mr. Narendra Modi. Next one, who is the Chairman of 15th Finance Commission? He is Mr. N.K. Singh. Next one, Border Roads Organization constructed the Deparuja Bridge over which river? It is Subansiri River. Next one, the Economic Advisory Council of the 15th Finance Commission has been scheduled to meet on 23rd and 24th April. Next one, who is the Union Minister for Human Resource Development? He is Mr. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Next one, Earth Day is celebrated on which date? It is celebrated on 22nd April. Next one, what is the name of your mobile application which aims to effectively track home quarantined citizens and ensure they are actually staying in the home, developed by Pune Municipal Corporation under Smart Cities Mission? So it is SAYAM. Next one, where is the headquarters of New Development Bank? It is Shanghai. Next one, India handed over how many tons of medicines to Nepal for fighting COVID-19? So it is 23 tons. Next one, which university in London has developed a potential COVID-19 vaccine and the first human trials will begin from April 23rd, 2020? So it is Oxford University. Next one, which organization released a global network against food crisis report? So it is UN World Food Programme. Next one, which organization started providing 10,000 water bottles per day to Delhi police personnel out on the streets in the fight against COVID-19? So it is Indian Railways. Next one, which company announced the investment of rupees 43,474 crores in Reliance Jio for 9.99% stake, making it the largest foreign direct investment in the tech sector? So it is Facebook. Next one, an ordinance proposing new amendments to the Epidemic Disease Act 1987 has been approved by the Union Cabinet on April 22, 2020. It includes the imprisonment of guilty for how much time? So it is 6 months to 7 years. Next one, which country successfully launched a military satellite on 22nd April 2020? So it is Iran. Next one, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research planned to implement which drug against COVID-19? So it is Sepsivac. Next one, what is India's rank in World Press Freedom Index 2020? So it is 142. Next one, who has won William E. Colby Award in 2020? So this award was won by Adam Higginbotham. Next one, Who is the current Minister of Civil Aviation? He is Mr. Hardeep Singh Puri. Next one. What is the Dun and Bradstreet Composite Business Optimism Index for second quarter 2020? So it is 49.40%. Next one. Indian herpetologists have discovered a new species of viper family, Trimeresurus salazar, in Pakke Tiger Reserve. Pakke Tiger Reserve is in which state? So it is Arunachal Pradesh. Next one. Who is the current Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Minister of Information and Broadcasting? He is Mr. Prakash Javadekar. Next one. What is the motto of NHAI, National Highway Authority of India? So it is not just roads, building a nation. Next one. Technology Information Forecasting and Assessment Council comes under which ministry? So it comes under Department of Science and Technology. Next one. World Book Day is observed on which date? It is observed on 23rd April. Next one. The US Senate has unanimously approved how much dollars in fresh relief for the economy and hospitals hammered by the coronavirus pandemic? So it is $484 billion. Next one. The government is now working towards procuring thousands of wristbands that will be integrated with which app to help medical personnel and authorities keep track of the movement of patients in hospitals. So it is Arogya Setu. Next one. Who has been appointed as the head of National Shipping Board? She is Madam Malini Shankar. Next one. Union Human Resource Development Minister launches which platform for inviting e-learning content contributions in both school and higher education? So it is Vidyadan 2.0. Next one. According to the satellite data published by which agency stated that the air pollution over northern India has dropped to a 20-year low for this time of the year? So it is NASA. Next one. Which state government launched the Aptamitra helpline, which aims to empower people in the state's fight against coronavirus? So it is Karnataka. Next one. Kongjom Day is celebrated in which state? So it is celebrated in Mizoram. Next one. Who is the current Minister of Tourism in India? He is Mr. Prahlad Singh Patel. Next one. International Girls in Information and Communication Technologies Day was observed on which date? So it was observed on 23rd April. Next one. Which institute has developed Feluda, a low-cost coronavirus test for detection of the pathogen? So it is CSIR IGIB. Next one. Border Roads Organization has constructed a new permanent bridge on the which river connecting Kasoval enclave in Punjab to the rest of the country? So it is Ravi River. Next one. The Badminton World Federation named an Indian shuttler as one of the ambassadors for its I Am Badminton awareness campaign. So she is Madam PV Sindhu. Next one. Which organization had developed a mobile virology research and diagnostics laboratory? So it is DRDO. Next one. Which organization launched a lockdown learners series of online dialogues with students and educators in India? So it is UNODC, the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crimes. Next one. The government has delayed the dearness allowance hike for government employees and pensioners till which of the following dates? So it is July 1st, 2021. Next one. Which state became the first state to have video conferencing infrastructure in all its codes? So it is Uttar Pradesh. Next one. Which institute has taken initiative to manufacture nutrient-rich foods for COVID-19 patients at a time when the need for healthy and immunity-boosting foods is indispensable? So it is Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology. Next one. Who is the current chairman of the ICC, Indian Cricket Council? So he is Mr. Shashank Manohar. Next one, which country's president has suggested the possibility of studying injecting disinfectants into COVID-19 patients or bringing UV light inside the body to kill the COVID-19 virus? So he is President of USA, Mr. Donald Trump. Next one, which company launched its generic version of cancer drug dasatinib in India? So it is Shilpa Medicare. Next one, the National Panchayati Raj Day is observed on which date? So it is observed on 24th April. Next one, which state government has directed the private schools to only charge tuition fees on a per month basis from students for now amid COVID-19 situation? So it is Haryana government. Next one, what is the name of China's first Mars exploration mission? So it is Tianwen-1. Next one, International Day of Multilateralism and Diplomacy for Peace is observed on which date? So it was observed on 24th April. Next one, which city has been named World Book Capital for 2020? So it is Kuala Lumpur. Next one, which country has legalized cannabis farming in the country with a hope that sales from the plant will provide some relief to its debt-ridden economy? So it is Lebanon. Next one, Sri Lanka is expected to sign a bilateral currency swap agreement of how much with the Reserve Bank of India to boost its foreign reserves? So it is $4,000 million. Next one, when was the Supreme Court of India established? So it was established on 26th January 1950. Next one, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched which portal on the occasion of National Panchayati Raj Day? So it is eGram Swaraj portal. Next one, World Malaria Day is an international event observed on which date every year? So it is observed on 25th April. Next one, International Delegates Day is observed on which date? So it was observed on 25th April. Next one, the US Space Agency NASA engineers have developed a new high pressure ventilator tailored specifically to treat COVID-19 patients. What is the name of this ventilator? So it is Vital. Next one, China announced how much additional grant for WHO to fight against COVID-19. So it is $30 million. Next one, what is the name of the application launched in CISF to enable movement of files and documents without physical touch? So it is eKaryalaya. Next one, which institutes along with a few other institutions are currently developing digital and molecular surveillance of the spread of novel coronavirus to understand the biology, epidemiology and disease impact? So those are CCMB and IGIB. Next one, the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development has cancelled how much debt owed by developing countries amid the COVID-19 pandemic? So it is $1 trillion. Next one, who took oath as Chief Vigilance Commissioner on 25th April 2020? He is Mr. Sanjay Kothari. Next one, government to set up how much fund to repay outstanding payments to MSMEs owned by government and private industries? So it is rupees 1 trillion. Next one, which institute has developed a herbal decongestant spray? So it is CSIR, National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. Next one, World Immunization Week is celebrated on which dates? 24th to 30 April. Next one, which of the following institutes releases report from the Great Lockdown to the Great Meltdown? So it is UNCTAD, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. Next one, which state launched Jeevan Shakti Yojana in which women in urban areas get rupees 11 for each mask made by them at home? So it was Madhya Pradesh. Next one, Which country abolished flogging as a punishment? So it is Saudi Arabia. Next one, Second International Day of Multilateralism and Diplomacy for Peace was celebrated on which date? So it was celebrated on 24th April. Next one, which state government revives zero interest loan scheme for women self-help groups? So it was Andhra Pradesh. Next one, World Intellectual Property Day is observed on which date every year? So it was observed on 26th April. Next one, who is the most popular world leader on Facebook according to Burson Khan and Wolfie? So he is Mr. Narendra Modi. Next one, which government launched mobile app COVID Pharma to keep a track of people purchasing medicines over the counter for cough, cold and fever? So it is Andhra Pradesh government. Next one, Hubble Space Telescope celebrates which anniversary on 24th April 2020? So it is 30th anniversary. Next one, Border Roads Organization opened Rohtang Pass of Himachal Pradesh. It connects which valley with the Lahaul and Spiti valleys of Himachal Pradesh? So it is Kullu Valley. Next one, International Chernobyl Disaster Remembrance Day is observed on which date? So it was observed on 26th April. Next one, Basava Jayanti was celebrated on which date? So it was celebrated on 26th April. Next one, which institute has developed carbon nitride quantum dots, a low-cost metal-free nanomaterial for visible light microbial disinfection? So it is Institute of Nanoscience and Technology. Next one, according to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute report titled Trends in World Military Expenditure 2019, what is India's rank in military spending in the world? So India ranked at 3rd. Next one, the World Veterinary Day was observed on which date? It was observed on 25th April 2020. Next one, India's largest power producer NTPC Limited has invited global expression of interest to provide how many hydrogen fuel cell based electric buses? So it is 10. Next one, which institute developed scientifically proven 2 herbal products, namely CAM Poshak and herbal cough syrup that can boost the immunity of the persons? So it is the Central Institute of Medicinal and Aromatic Plants, Lucknow. Next one, blocking burial or cremation of victims of notified deceased to attract jail term up to 3 years in which state? So it is Tamil Nadu. Next one, who has been appointed as Secretary in the Ministry of Women and Child Development? He is Mr. Ajay Tirke. Next one, which country's navy successfully test-fired a series of anti-ship missiles in the North Arabian Sea on 25th April? So it is Pakistan. Next one, India's holding of US government securities at a record high of $177.5 billion at the end of February. What is India's position in holding US government securities in the world? So India's position is 13. Next one, what was the theme of World Intellectual Property Day observed on April 26th? So it is Innovate for a Green Future. Next one, India sent 50,000 surgical gloves and 1 lakh tablets of hydroxychloroquine to which country to help its fight against the COVID-19 pandemic? So it is Bangladesh. Next one, the Reserve Bank of India announced how much liquidity support for mutual funds on 27th April 2020? So it is rupees 50,000 crore. Next one, which hospital became the first government hospital in the country to successfully launch the plasma therapy treatment for COVID-19 patients? So it is the King George Medical University. Next one, which institute has explored the neuroinvasive nature of COVID-19 virus SARS-CoV-2? So it is Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur. Next one, who has been appointed as Secretary in the Economic Affairs Department? So he is Mr. Tarun Bajaj. Next one, to enhance its response to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Government of India has signed a $1.5 billion loan with which bank? So it is Asian Development Bank. Next one, which automobile giant has developed low-cost ventilators for helping the government in the fight against COVID-19? So it is Maruti Suzuki. Next one, G20 has launched which new initiative under the presidency of Saudi Arabia? So it is Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator. Next one, International Dance Day is observed globally on 29th April. Next one, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Mr. Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has started which fees reimbursement scheme? So it is Jagananna Vidya Divana. Next one, who has been appointed as Chairman and Managing Director of Housing and Urban Development Corporation? He is Mr. Shivadas Meena. Next one, which institute has developed a low-cost robotic device named as Hospital Care Assistive Robotic Device? So it is CSIR, Central Mechanical Engineering Research Institute, Durgapur. Next one, Padma Shri Award winning Bollywood actor Irfan Khan passed away due to colon infection on 29th April. Next one, veteran actor Rishi Kapoor passed away due to cancer on 30th April.